Question 3 on this exam is once again a calculator question, and once again 3 marks. This is an exponential equation. So we've got the number of times the website is modeled. Skip forward, you can read all of that, but after 5 days, so 5 days, I start thinking about that as my T. 40,000 people have visited the site, and that is my A. So 40,000 is A. Determine the number of visitors expected after 9 days. So we have a new T here. This is how all of these exponential function questions are given. If we look at our formula, there's an R and a T in the exponent. T is the variable, R is actually a constant, so we need to use the initial piece of information they give us to find R. That will be the constant, and then we find our new variable under the new time frame. So I'll show you what it means. So we start with the 5 days and 40,000 people. So if A equals 800 e to the RT, I know 40,000, that's my final amount, happens after R times 5 days. Make sure you get your units right, so T is in days, so I can just put the 5 there. We now want to solve for R. So the first step is to divide by 800. And we get 50 equals e to the 5R. Now we want to solve for R once again. The exponent contains our variable. So when the variable is caught in the exponent, we have to ln both sides. And you say the ln of 50 equals, and when we ln the right side, the exponent can come down. Ln of e is just 1, so that goes away. So R equals ln 50 divided by 5. Now we use that R value and plug it right back in for the new information that we're asked. So we're asked for the number of visitors. So that's A. So A is going to equal 800. Again, this is always the starting formula. E to the R, which is ln 50 over 5, and times T, which is 9 days in this case, times 9. Toss that all in your calculator, and we get, I'll do it at the same time so that it's comparable for how long it should take you. So I get 914,000 visits. Express your answer as a whole number, so I'm going to round down because you can't round up visits. So 914,610 visitors after 9 days. Now let's just quickly analyze the answer. That's a really big number compared to the 40,000 after only 5 days, but that's a great example of exponential growth, right? They're starting at 800 after 5 days to get to 40,000. After another 4 days, it's all the way up to almost 1 million page visits. And again, that's how exponential growth works. It's not linear.